it's Sheila, and I'm coming to you live from my guest restroom. And yes, it might be a little bit echo in here because I have the door closed because I got YouTube videos going on in the other room, and y'all know it's just that kind of a Sunday. I'm actually in my PJs, y'all, so you know we just being very improper right now, okay? But I did want to come on and share with you this new look that I have. I am so excited about it, and I know you will be too. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button before we go any further. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I will be doing an update review on this hair over the next 4 months. Yes, you heard me correctly. I did say 4 months. I will be wearing this hair for about 4 months. That is my goal. I'm going to mark my calendar today, and I'm going to see if I can make it for the full 4 months by taking great care of it, which I always do with my hair. And if this hair holds up as well as I've heard in reviews, I think I'll be able to do it. And so now let's talk about the hair a little bit. Now I'm going to give you a full range look of the hair. I'm going to start here and rotate my body around. So, and as you are looking at my hair, yes, look at this. It is so pretty. It's so bouncy. I have individual twists put in, and I have a very good length. If you pull the hair out, you will see that the hair do extend to be pretty long, but it spirals up, so it gives you a much shorter appearance. So when you are having it installed, make sure you're taking that into consideration as to how long you really want the hair to be, because I do venture that as the time progresses, the hair will stretch out a little bit more, so it probably will appear that it's growing from my head. But yeah, so bear that in mind. I do have it kind of flipped over to the side. She mimicked the length of my hair as much as she possibly could, so I do have, you know, like up and down, some short, some long. Makes it look more natural, and it looks more like my hair, because my hair is very uneven. So yeah, so that is that on the hair. And so let me go ahead and share with you what the hair looks like. And this is what the hair looks like when you take it out of the packaging. It is a spiral type hair, and it just kind of springs up and down. It bounces all around, and it does the same thing inside your head. When she did mine, she did cut them in half, and then as she cut them in half, she pulled the two pieces apart and made like one piece, two pieces, or something like that. Y'all don't listen to me for like to tell y'all how to do it, because I go and get mine done for a reason, okay? Click on someone else's video to have a demo of how to install. But anyway, basically this is what the hair looks like, and I want to share in my head. I have a pack and a half, so this is what a pack looks like inside of the bag when it's purchased. And this hair, I did order this hair from Amazon, by the way. It was about $23.70, I believe, somewhere in there, $23 and some change anyway. And this is what the packaging looks like, and there's 3 of these inside of an Amazon bag that, or I said an Amazon bag, 3 of these inside of a bag that looks just like this. And I will say that there are some extra little things that come inside the bag that she didn't use, and it's not my forte, but you know, we all have different things. But there are some little hair clips. What do you call these things? Like hair, I don't know, things for your hair. There's some of those inside the bag, which, like I said, I tried that, and that I very quickly discovered that was not for me. And then there's a couple of these little clips. There's a pink one, and there is a blue one. These came with it, so I thought that was kind of cool, which I probably will use these for randomness, you know, just kind of like maybe if I'm home and I want to get my hair on my face, I might just do that if I'm sitting down editing a video or something, you know. But she didn't use any of these. She has her own things. Obviously, when you go get your hair done at a salon, they generally will have their own stuff. But so yeah, so like I said, 3 of these came inside the bag, and this is what I have left over from getting my hair done. So basically I have a bag and a half in my head right now that's been installed. Again, I'm going to say to you over and over again how much I love this. I love the way it feels. I love the bounciness of it. I love the fact that it looks very natural, and as it gets older, it is going to look more and more natural. I will, if I can, I have a picture of Fatima, which is my hairstylist. She sent me a picture of her hair. Her hair at that point had been, like, I want to say maybe a couple weeks old, and so she sent me a picture of it just so that I could see what it looks like after it's been in the head for a little bit. And oh my gosh, y'all, it looks so natural. So even though, like, right now, honestly, this is a little bit like, I love it, but I will love it more in about 2 to 3 weeks, I think, or maybe even about a month. I know in a month I'm just gonna really love it, because I do like my hair once it starts getting a little fuzzy and everything is kind of looking real natural, looking like it just grew right out of my head. That is when I really like it the most. Right now I feel like, yeah, it's pretty, but it looks very defined, and when it looks very defined to me, it's like, yeah, she went and had something done. I want it to look like where they're looking at my hair and saying, girl, I love the way you twisted your hair. And I'm like, yes, thank you very much. So yeah, so anyway, I'm pretty excited about the look. Like I said, at night, what I usually do is I just pull it up like so, put a band around it. I pull all of it up just like this, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. And then I take a rubber band, not a rubber band, but one of the little hair thingies, and I pull it up like that, put my sleeping bonnet on, and I go to sleep. And this is actually what I was looking like all day today, because like I said, y'all, I'm in my PJs. It's been that kind of a Sunday. I had my grandson last night, all day yesterday and last night. I didn't go to bed till 3 o'clock this morning, and the last couple of nights I've been to bed well, no, the last night I went to bed like at 1 something, because I went to have this done, and so it took a little bit of a time. Whew. Girl is tired, okay? So I've been looking like this pretty much all day. I did take it down just to do this video so that I could show you guys what it looked like. So again, this is what I look like when I go to sleep at night. I just have my hair bonnet on instead. And when you take it down, you will see that it just falls right back into place. Like it just, like you can just shake and it just falls right back into place. And by having the individual twists, I can kind of flip it from one side to the other side. And of course, I'm not looking in the mirror to see how well I'm putting this together, but you know, okay, let's see, get it to fall right here. But yeah, so you can flop it from one side to the other. I sometimes will get it to where I can do a part in the middle if I decide, but I didn't do that this time because I never part my hair in the middle. I don't know why, but I always think I want to, but I never do. So yeah, so I just decided against that. But yeah, I do absolutely love this look. I just think it's so pretty, and it feels good. It actually feels very, very soft. If you could feel it right now, you would feel nothing but softness. It actually feels very much like, you know, when you first do your own hair, when you have the natural hairstyles and you're like twisting it up, or you're doing something to your own hair and you're using a little bit of gel to where your hair feels not rough or hard, but your hair feels like it's got some texture to it. That's what this feels like. When I touch this, I feel just a little bit of texture to the hair, and so I feel texture like it's texture to my own natural hair. So again, I just absolutely love it. I'm looking forward to seeing how it do over time. And that being said, I have decided that I'm going to do a 1-month review on this hair each month for the next 4 months, because my goal is to wear this hair for a full 4 months. So wish me luck. I hope that I can, but I will definitely keep you guys informed and let you know each month what the progress is, how I feel about it, and what I see, what I like and what I don't like about the things that I see. So again, I hope you guys stick around for those reviews, because I think it will definitely help you if you're trying to decide on a protective hairstyle. If you're trying, I'm just gonna say, for the sake of argument, if you want the spiral twist, which is what I have, I would look for hair that is going to say, well, this says Beyond Beauty on the outside, but look for something that says spiral hair, or, I'm sorry, look for something that says spring hair, and that should give you the spiral look, which is what the spiral twist, which is what I have. And I did, again, like I said, I did get this on Amazon, and I will put the link below where I got this. I'm not affiliated with it at all. I just heard about it. In fact, my stylist told me about it, and I went on Amazon and ordered it. So, and I literally like just, I mean, I stalked every video that they had about this type of hair. So I just wanted to know what I was getting before I did it. So I know there are some videos out there. There's tutorials that tell you how to install. I'm not the girl to do that. Like I said, I go to a hairstylist for a reason, okay? But yeah, so if you're looking for the spiral twist, though, I will recommend that you try this one. And there is another one that I do want to try, another brand, and you know, maybe I'll try that on the next go round, and I'll be able to share with you guys about that one. But for right now, this is what I have installed in my hair. Again, I'm so happy. And let me do one more turn for you guys before I close, so that you guys can have the opportunity to just kind of see what my hair looks like. I absolutely love it. I love how it just shakes, and it feels so carefree. It just doesn't feel like I have anything in my hair. There's no weight to my hair at all. It just feels so good. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and close now. I'll see you guys in about a month for an updated review on this hair. Thanks again so much for watching. Bye.